Do your clients know what to expect from you every time they interact with your brand? If not, you might be leaving money and trust on the table. Hey, I'm Faye, a brand and web designer dedicated to helping business owners grow and thrive on and offline through impactful branding. And today we're talking about something simple but super impactful: brand consistency. I want to break down how being consistent builds trust and loyalty and sets your business up for long term success. So let's dive in.
You know,
When people know what to expect from your brand, they trust you. It's really that simple. Every consistent touch point, your website, your social posts, your emails, that reinforces that trust. And trust doesn't just stay trust. Over time, it grows into loyalty. And loyalty means those same clients keep coming back over and over because they know that they can count on you. Like, think about your favorite coffee shop or your favorite online store. You don't even think twice about going back to them because you know that they deliver the same great experience every single time. That's the power of consistency, and your brand can do the same. Being consistent makes growth way less stressful for you and your clients. Let's say you're adding a new service or you're launching a new product. If your brand is already solid and consistent, your clients don't feel like it's something out of left field. It's just a natural next step. Think about brands like Nike. When they drop a new shoe or a new line of workout gear, no one's confused or second guessing whether or not it's worth it. It just fits. It's just worth it. They get it. That's what happens when your brand has consistency. You can expand, you can pivot, you can scale, and your audience is right there with you, ready to support you. Consistency isn't just about visuals or messaging, though. It's about making your clients feel valued. When every interaction with your brand feels familiar, like they're talking to an old friend, they start to feel seen and understood. And that builds a connection. And connection is what keeps them coming back. It's the little things like replying quickly to DMs or having your emails match the tone of your website. It's not rocket science. It's like showing up the same way every time. When clients feel like they're in good hands, they stick around. And better yet, they tell people about you. Word of mouth from happy clients is gold. People trust the people that they know. And if you aren't the person that they know, they trust their friend. All right, let's talk about brand equity, though. That's a fancy way of just saying how much people value your business. And consistency is one of the things that builds that. When people recognize your brand and they know that they can trust it, you're not just another option, they see you as the option. That recognition and trust makes your business a lot more valuable. And that's why some brands can charge more, they get better referrals, and they have a reputation that stands out from the competition. It's not just because their products or services are good, although that is important. It's because they show up consistently, time after time, and you can absolutely do the same. The bottom line is brand consistency isn't just about looking polished, it's about creating a foundation for the future. When you're consistent, you're not just another business out there. You become a trusted partner, the go to for your clients. You make it easier for them to choose you again and again. It's about building trust, creating loyal relationships, and setting yourself up to grow confidently. Whether you're adding new services, scaling up, or you're just trying to stand out, consistency gives you that edge. So start small if you need to, but stay consistent. Your future self and your future clients will thank you for it. If you're ready to take your brand to the next level, I'd love to make it happen. Start with something simple like a free brand audit from maybe constantcreates.com, and you can see where your brand is doing well and where you can level up. You can check the description for how to book one today and start creating a brand that works as hard as you do. Thank you so much for catching me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on branding or growing your business every Monday. Remember, consistency isn't just about perfection, it is about showing up. So keep doing the work and your brand will thank you for it. All right, I'll see you next Monday. Bye.